Hello everybody. In the last 3 videos, I have discussed question number 1 to 12 from linear equations in one variable. Today in this video, I'll solve the last 4 questions, that is question number 13, 14, 15, 16 from the same exercise. Question number 13. A rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product, you get minus 7 by 12. What is that number? So let us assume the number be x. Now according to question, they said with this number, let us assume this is a rational number. So let us assume the rational number be x. Generally, what is a rational number? A rational number is a number which we can write in the form of p by q, or we can write in the form of x by q. As you can see in this chapter is linear equations in one variable. So we will write directly the number is x only because x is a single variable. Okay. Now according to questions, when you multiply it by 5 by 2, it means that with x, if you multiply 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product, it means that with this product, if we add 2 by 3, you get the result as minus 7 by 12. We get the result as minus 7 by 12. So this is the ultimate equations. From there we need to find out the value of x. So here in the denominator it is 1. So x into 5, in the top it is 5x. 2 into 1 it's 2 plus 2 by 3 is equal to minus 7 by 12. Now we can see this x related term is a variable. So we'll put this 5x by 2 in the left side of the equations. On the right side what we'll do, we'll carry this 2 by 3 in the right side, so it will become minus 2 by 3. Alright. So 5x by 2, which we can write 12 and 3 if we take LCM, which is 12. Now 12 1 times 1 into 7 is here minus sign, so minus 7 minus 3 into 4 times. So 4 into 2 is 8. So 5x by 2 we can write minus 7 minus 8 is minus 15, that is minus minus plus, bigger symbol is minus, so we'll write minus 15 by 12. Now in this step what we'll do, we'll do the cross multiplication, that is numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator. It means that 5x into 12 is equal to 2 into minus 15. So ultimately we get 5x into 12 is 60x is equal to 2 into minus 15. There is 2 15s are 30. Sign will be minus. So here x will become minus 30. This 60 will come as a divide as a denominator. 30 2 times are 60. So ultimately we get the value of x is equal to minus half. It means that the rational number is minus half. Now let's test. As I said, when you multiply the rational number by 2 by 5. Now if you see the question they said, if we multiply this rational number by 2 by 5, that is the rational number we got half, minus half. So once we multiply it by, not 2 by 5, 5 by 2, and if we add the result with 2 by 3, we should get the result as minus 7 by 12. So 2 2s are 4, 1 into 5 is 5, sign is minus, plus 2 by 3. Now 4 3 times are 12, 4 3 LCM is 12, now 4 3 times are 12, 3 into 5 is 15, so sign will be minus 15, plus 3 4 times are 12, 4 into 2 is 8, which comes plus minus minus, 15 minus 8 is 7, so we can write minus 7 by 12. So we can see the answer is matching the question, so it is absolutely correct. In this question they have said Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has the currency notes of denomination rupees 100, rupees 50, rupees 10 respectively. The ratio of the number of these notes is 2:3:5. The total cash with Lakshmi is rupees 4 lakh. How many notes of each denomination she is having? So first of all, we need to understand what is denomination. Suppose I have rupees 100 with me, and this rupees 100 is not a 100 rupees notes. It means that I have 50 rupees, one number of note. Suppose 20 rupees, I have two number of notes, and suppose rupees 10, I have one number of notes. So ultimately, if we calculate 2 20s are 40 plus 50 rupees 90 plus 10 100. So total 100 rupees means I have a denomination of rupees 50, rupees 20, rupees 10. Let us read the question again. They said Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank and she is a currency of denomination rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 respectively. The ratio of the number of these notes are 2:3:5. So let us assume the number of 100 rupees note or rupees 100 notes is equal to, as I said, 2:3:5. So rupees 100 will be 2x number. Therefore, the number of 50 rupees note is 3x number, and the number of 10 rupees note, as I said, 10 rupees note, it's 5x number. So these are the three different denomination. She is having 100 rupees notes, 50 rupees notes and 10 rupees notes. And the number from the questions we have written 2x number, 3x number, 5x number, which we need to find it out. Now according to question, they said total amount she is having 4 lakh. She is having a total amount of 4 lakh. It means that 100 rupees she is having 2x number, 50 rupees she is having 3x number, and 10 rupees she is having 5x number, and once we collect all the amount, it comes around 4 lakh. That is, after 4 there's 5 zeros. Alright, so if we calculate 100 into 2 is 200 into x, 50 into 3 is 150 into x, 10 into 5 is 50 into x is equal to 4 lakh. Now 200 plus 150, that is 350 plus 50, 400 into x is equal to 400x is equal to 4 lakh. So ultimately we can write x is equal to this 4 lakh divided by 400. This 400 will come as a divide here. We can cancel 0 0 0 0. Now 4000 divided by 4, it means that 4 into 1000 is equal to 4000. So ultimately we get the value of x is 1000. Now in the as you have assumed, the number of rupees 100 notes is 2x number. Therefore, number of rupees 100 note is equal to, as I said, 2x number, it means that 2 into 1000. 2x means 2 into 1000. Why 2 into 1000? Because here the value of x is equal to 1000. It means that 2000 number of 100 rupees notes are there total. Number of rupees 50 note. Number of rupees 50 note is, how many numbers you have assumed? 3x number. It means that 3 into 1000. That is 3000 number of 50 rupees notes are there. Okay. And the number of rupees 10 note is 5x. It means that 5 into 1000. That is 5000 number of 10 rupees notes. So this is our answer. It's solved here. Now let's check whether our calculation is correct or not through the testing method. 100 rupees note, we got total 2000 number. It means that 100 into 2000, which is equal to 1 2 3, and there is 2 zeros, that is 2 lakh. 50 rupees into 3000 number, it means that 50 into 3000, 5 3s are 15, and after 15 5 threes are 15. After 15, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. It means that 1,50,000. And 10 rupees, how many number of notes we got? We got 5,000 number of notes of 10 rupees. So 10 into 5,000, that is 5 tens are 50 and there 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. That is 50,000. Now if we calculate 2 lakh plus 1,50,000, that is 3,50,000 plus 50,000, which is equal to 4 lakh. So ultimately we can say it matches with the question, so our answer is correct. Let's start question number 15. I have a total of rupees 300 in coins and denomination of rupees 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5. The number of rupees 2 coin is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. The total number of coin is 160. How many coins of each denomination are with me? So if we read the questions, we can see I have a total of rupees 300 in coins. It means that I am having total rupees 300 and that is not in notes. The rupees are in coin. It means that combination of all the coin I have rupees 300. And what are the coins? The coins are 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin. Now this part we'll see later. The number of 2 rupees coin is 3 times more than 5 rupees. This part we'll see later. Again they said the total number of coins is 160. It means that combination of 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin, the total number I have 160. Now let's go to this part. They said the number of rupees 2 coin is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coin. It means that if we assume let the rupees 5 coin I have is equal to X. Why rupees 5 coin X? Because 2 rupees coin is 3 times of 5 rupees coin. That is the reason I have assumed 5 rupees coin I have X. Therefore, rupees 2 coin I have rupees 2 coin 3 times of rupees 5 coins. It means that 3 times of rupees 5 coin. Rupees 5 coin I have X. So 3 times of X. Now what about rupees 1 coin? Now if we see the question, nowhere rupees 1 coin is mentioned. Only 2 rupees coin and 3 rupees coin is mentioned. But the total number of coin is 160. It means that from the total number of coin, if I subtract this 5 rupee coin and 2 rupee coin, I have the 1 rupee coin. It means that from total number of coin, if I subtract the 5 rupee coin and 2 rupee coin, I have 1 rupee coin. Now according to questions, once I add all the number of coins, I get total amount of 300. So 5 rupee coin I had X number, 2 rupee coin I have 3X number and 1 rupee coin I have 160 minus X plus 3X means 4X number. We can write here also 160 minus X plus 3X is 4X. So this is the total number of coins I have and the amount comes rupees 300. It means if we calculate 5x plus 2 into 3x means 6x plus 1 into any number is the same number, 160 minus 4x, it comes rupees 300. Okay, so 5x plus 6x is 11x minus 4x is equal to 300, and this 160 will come to right side of the equation, which becomes minus 160. 11x minus 4x is 7x. 300 minus 160 is 140. So ultimately we get the value of x is equal to 140 divided by 7. If we cancel, we get the value of x is 20. It means that I have rupees 5 coin. How many number? 20 numbers. Yes, x is equal to 20. So here 5 rupees coin I have x, so x is 20 numbers. Rupees 2 coin, it will be 3x. It means that 3 into 20 numbers, that is 60 numbers. I have rupees 2 coin, and rupees 1 coin I have 1 coin, as you see, 160 minus 4x, it means that 160 minus 4 into the value of x is 20, means 160 minus 4 into 20 is 80. It means that I have rupees 1 coin is 80 numbers. So here is the solution. Now let's check. 5 rupees I have 20 coins, means 20 numbers. So 5 into 20, it becomes rupees 100. 2 rupees I have 60 number. It means that 2 into 60. 2 rupees I have 60 numbers, that is 120. And 1 rupee I have 80 numbers. 1 into 80. Means 5 rupees I have 100 rupees. 2 rupees I have 120 rupees, and 1 rupee I have 80 rupees. So once we add 0, 8, 2, 10, carry 1, 1, 1, 2 plus 1, 3. It means that the answer correct. Now the last question of the exercise. The organizers of an essay competition decides that the winner in the competition gets a prize of rupees 100 and a participant who doesn't win gets a prize of rupees 25. The total prize money distributed is rupees 3000. Find the number of winners if the total number of participants is 63. It means that there is a essay competitions out of which few participants win and few participants lose. Now according to the question, if you see the questions, they said each winner get rupees 100 and each loser get rupees 25. And they said the total number of participant is 63. We need to find out the number of winners. So as usual, let us suppose the number of winners is equal to x. So if the number of winners is x, therefore the number of loser will be, what is the total number? 63. So from 63, if we subtract the number of winner, we get loser. It means that if winner is x, loser will be 63 minus x. For better understanding, let us count both the winner and loser. It means that winner x and loser is 63 minus x, and we get the total number of 63. So now according to question, they said each winner get rupees 100. It means that x number get rupees 100. X number get rupees 100 and each loser get rupees 25. 63 minus x number get, this is the loser number, get rupees 25, and the total prize money was rupees 3000. Hundred into x is 100x plus 63 into 25. If we calculate 63 into 25, it comes around 1575 minus 25 into x is 25x is equal to 3000. So 100x, and here 100x minus 25x, that is the variable we'll keep in the left side and we'll take the constant in the right side. 3000 minus 1575. So 100x minus 25x is 75x, and if we subtract 3000 minus 1575, we get 1425. So 1425. Now x, if we divide by 75, it means that the 75 will come as a denominator. Now if we cancel it, we get the value of x is 19. If we calculate it, you'll find the value of x is coming 19. It means that the number of winners we assumed x, which is nothing but 19, and the number of losers is equal to 63 minus x means 63 minus 19 which is equal to 44. It means that total 19 numbers of winner and 44 numbers are loser. Let's check. So as 19 numbers of winner means 19 winners get 100 rupees each. It comes as a total of rupees 1900. And 44 number gets 25 rupees each. So 44 into 25, it gets, if you calculate 44 into 25, you will get around 1100. Now once we add 1900 plus 1100, 9 plus 1 is 10, carry 1, 112 plus 1, 3. That is rupees 3000. Now if you see the questions, we find that the total amount should come as rupees 3000. So our calculation is correct. So this is all about the exercise 2.2, all the solutions, that is from 1 to 12. In the last videos, as I said, I have last few videos I have solved. The 12 number of questions here in this last video I have solved. There is 4 more questions, 13, 14, 15, 16. So in case if you feel any sorts of doubt, you please give a comment on the link below. I'll try to make the explanation more and more easier in the next video. So thank you everybody.